Good evening, Veena. This is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I am going to take your feedback. Please
Sure.
introduce yourself.
Myself, Veena. I pursued IDM course from CMTI during October 2023 to December 2023, and I have completed the course. Now I am working as a interior designer.
Fantastic. Whatever you are from, which place,
I am from Bangalore, Anjananagar, nearby Magdiru.
and when did you complete your graduation? Which college?
My graduation is done in 2019 and from East West Institute of Technology.
Which course you joined here?
Here I have taken IDM course.
Mm-hmm.
That's the interior design management course.
And how did you come to know about CMTI?
One of my friend has referred me for CMTI, and I have joined here, and I have gone through the interior design management course, in which I've learned like all related to the interior things, interior designing, software courses. Later, we have done the site visits, and we have gone through the softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD. Not only that, we have gone for the like interior design measurements, interior standards. This all were done during this course.
Fantastic. Currently, what are you doing?
I'm working as a junior interior designer at a build home.
Good. Fine. So, like, congratulations on your placement and wish you good luck for your future. And
Thank
what
you.
would you like to tell to the juniors and students who would like to, and maybe if you would like to refer CMDA for your friends, can you just
Yeah, sure. Like
so,
it is very good for the freshers who have currently passed out and who is willing to go for construction field and interior design management course. I would definitely recommend them.
fantastic. Thank you. So, wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you so much.